Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by filling the tank to the max line with distilled water. This prevents mineral buildup and gives consistent steam. Hang the garment on a sturdy hanger and smooth large folds with your hands so the fabric hangs evenly. Turn the steamer on and wait for the steady steam indicator, about 20 to 30 seconds. Once it's spitting steady steam, hold the head 1 to 2 inches from fabric and make your first slow, vertical pass to relax fibers. Once the first pass has relaxed the fabric, you work methodically from top to bottom in sections so nothing gets missed. Vertical strokes mimic natural drape. Make sure you keep the head about 1 to 2 inches from the fabric. Short, repeated strokes are better than one rushed swipe. For stubborn creases, you can lightly press the steamer plate against the fabric for 1-2 seconds. Just make sure the garment can handle heat. Also, switch to a delicate or fabric guard when steaming silk or wool. To finish, give the garment 2 to 3 minutes of airtime on the hanger so fibers set and any residual moisture evaporates. This prevents new wrinkles. Turn off the steamer, empty the reservoir, and let the unit cool before storing. Follow the manual for periodic descaling to maintain performance. If the steamer sputters or spits water, stop, lower the temperature. Empty and refill with distilled water. This usually clears mineral blockage and prevents spotting on fabric.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.